Welcome to ExcelBerry. In this video, I will show you how you create a stunning Gantt chart to visualize and keep track of your tasks. What Microsoft have done is that they have created thousands or even more different pre-made Excel templates that you could choose. And this one is quite new and it is actually very good. So instead of creating your own Gantt chart from scratch, you just go to the File ribbon, press on New, and then you search for Gantt, and then you'll have different templates to pick from. And this one here to the right was the best one earlier, but this one here to the left is quite a new one, which is very good. So you double click on it, you will then create it, and it's available if you pay for Microsoft 365. Here you will have 3 different sheets in different colors, and here is your Gantt chart, and it's now up to you to fill it out. First of all, the project start date is the first start date of all the tasks that you have here. So if you filled out the start date here, then this one will automatically update. And here to the right is your Gantt chart, and it's visualized depending on what category you have here, and it's a drop-down list. So let's say we change this low risk to be a goal, then the visualization here will change, and the number of days is equal to the number of days that you have here, and you can scroll through the entire Gantt chart with the arrow here. So here you could easily change the dates and see how you progress. So that's all. So that's pretty much all you need. You type in the main title for the project and then each tasks. Then you choose all the different categories, assign it to different persons. And this one is also something you need to type in yourself, how far into that task that you progressed, and the start date, and then how many days you think initially that it will take. One customization that you can do is to change the colors. For example, if you select the entire sheet, go to conditional formatting, manage rules, you'll see that you will have different colors here. If you change the colors, double click on it, go to format, change the colors, then you need to change the colors up here as well. Otherwise, there's not too much customization that you can do, but hopefully this template will be enough. And that is all I wanted to share with you in this video. If you liked what I showed you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel if you want to learn even more in Excel, and consider going my Excel course on excelberry.com. Thank you.